Have you ever felt that you no longer recognize yourself, not because you are lost, but because your mind never stops moving?
Welcome to Empty Your Mind.
In a quiet valley, far from the noise of roads and passing footsteps, far even from the breath of the wind, beyond the rush of time, there lay a lake. Its surface was not just water, it was stillness itself. No ripples, no movement, a clear mirror that did not lie. It reflected the sky as it was, the stars in their silent glow, the moon in its loneliness even, the passing clouds. The lake did not choose what to reflect. It did not judge. It did not correct. It simply received and showed. Anyone who stood near it could see their face clearly. Not better, not worse, just true. But stillness does not last in a world that loves noise. One day, something unseen arrived, the wind. At first, it touched the surface gently, soft movements, almost kind. But even that was enough. The water began to tremble, circles spread, the image broke. The stars disappeared into moving lines, the moon lost its shape, the familiar face turned unclear, distorted, and somewhere, deep inside the lake, a quiet thought appeared. Was the sky really changing, or was the disturbance living inside me? People gathered at the shore. They looked at the restless water and turned away in anger. "This is not us," they said. "You are lying." They did not feel the pain of the lake as it struggled to stay clear. They did not see that the sky above them had not changed at all. The mistake was not in the sky, not in the faces, not in the light. It was in the moving water, just like the human mind. When it fills with fear or anger, the world begins to look broken, ugly, wrong. We blame the mirror and forget that the storm is inside us. In the middle of this chaos, the lake did the strangest thing possible. It did nothing. It did not shout at the wind. It did not try to stop it. It did not fight to fix the surface. The lake understood something simple and deep. Resistance feeds chaos. Haste hides the truth. So it waited. It let the wind pass, it let the waves rise and fall, it let time do its quiet work, while everything around it rushed and screamed. The lake remained, and slowly the wind grew tired, the circle softened, the movement slowed, the surface rested, the sky returned. The face returned, clearer than before. And the lake understood something important. The truth was never lost. It was only hidden beneath the disturbance. The greatest battle is not in changing the wind. It is in becoming the lake that remains still until clarity returns on its own.
Welcome to Empty Your Mind, where silence gives birth to power. Listen, feel, and let your heart open the doors of patience. But don't tell anyone.